Is it permissible to use mouthwash whilst fasting?
No problem to use anything as long as it doesn't go inside. But we say you have to be extra cautious. So the mouthwash now, first of all, no alcohol. It's called alcohol free. And there is plenty with this, alhamdulillah. Because alcohol is haram to, even if you don't just put it in your mouth, you don't swallow it. Number two, that you do it while your mouth down. Why? Because if you go like this, it might go down, you won't swallow it. So your gravity will help you. It will not go up. It will be hard for you to swallow it. Number three, don't move it vigorously. You know, make it easy, slowly, because you don't want and then go inside. Number four, the taste which is left, the flavor, no problem about that. So if you, because each mouthwash has to have a taste. So that flavor, it does not break your fast. It's like tasting the food. Taste. Because the taste is in the, where does the doctor taste? Is at the tip of the tongue here?
No, on the tongue.
Yeah, here. Which is that here? Or
Yeah.
there was all of it, huh?
A different region has different type of taste.
Okay. Oh, I see.
On the tongue should be.
So what is the curry? Curry taste. Is at the back, is it? طيب خير inshallah. Spicy. So the taste, you might spit it, but still, the flavor of that taste still in your mouth. The thing that would break your fast is not the flavor, is not the taste itself, is the particles. So the particles might go and still you have a taste. But there's no particles, no problem. It's like when you make siwak. Definitely that siwak is going to have something in it to clean your mouth. So if you take the saliva inside, that doesn't really, there's no particles. You don't swallow bits of pieces from the siwak itself. Now,
Jazakallah.